This is what being brainwashed look like.
Tara, who moved here with her parents from Texas 5 years ago.
And tell me about your two flags.
So this is the flag of the third temple, which we want to build hopefully here on the Temple Mount.
Many people are holding the same flag. The Third Temple movement wants to demolish Al-Aqsa, the third holiest place for Muslims, and build a Jewish temple on the site. We're quickly surrounded by demonstrators.
What are they trying to do?
They want to put stickers.
And what do the stickers say?
Kahana was right.
They idolize Meir Kahane, a far-right American rabbi who moved to Israel and was convicted of multiple acts of terror.
So what would you do to the Palestinians living here?
Here, like in the Old City, leave or we'll kill you. I think Islam is cancer, and you don't transfer cancer to another patient. That's not moral. You have to destroy cancer.
And what does destroy look like for you?
To either kill or re-educate all Muslims.
So basically, they want to build a temple where Masjid Al-Aqsa is right now. They want to destroy Masjid Al-Aqsa and build a temple. And they're saying if Palestinians don't leave, they're going to kill them. They say leave or we'll kill them. Now, do you really think that the genocide is over that's happening right now in Palestine? You really think it's over? It's not. It's still happening. It's still going on. It's just not a lot of people talk about it nowadays.
فاستيقظي من نومة الغفلات